Good afternoon, Dr. Supriya. Welcome
Good
you
ma'am.
back. Welcome you back again. I'm very
Thank you.
happy to have you on this, and I'm very happy that you wanted to share your testimony and the feedback of your
Thank you.
journey with us for the 30 days. I just want just help me to introduce yourself. You're from which profession? You're which part of in India? How old you are?
I am Dr. Supriya Baniko. I am from Hubli, Karnataka, India. I am working as a gynecologist since 30 years in my practice. I work for KLM Medical College and also have my own private setup. I work for mainly for lifestyle disorders like PCOD, infertility, and all antenatal like pregnancy cases, and dealing with all obstetric and gynecological disorders like menstrual disorders, which is also connected to lifestyle disorders.
Hmm. Thank you, thank you, Doctor. Doctor, before joining the program, you were have the biggest challenges with being a diabetes, like energy levels, and how long you've been a diabetic. Please tell about that.
I had detected my diabetic status in 6 years. Before that, I was a pre-diabetic since for 2 years. So I was taking just a metformin, 2, 3 tablets. But since 2 to 3 years, my tablets are medicines are increasing.
Hmm.
Like,
So,
and now these days I was facing with some tingling numbness. That is neuropathy,
Hmm.
and I had undergone hysterectomy
Hmm.
1 year back. Because of this diabetes status only, I had endometrial hyperplasia, that is which will cause dysfunctional uterine bleeding
Hmm.
and fibroid uterus. So I have to undergo hysterectomy operation.
Okay, okay.
Because of that diabetic status I had, so I thought that it's right time to take action, that my diabetes should knock off, because my medicines are increasing,
Hmm.
and I have to stop somewhere.
Yeah.
That and my weight is also standstill.
And doctor, when you started this program, our Activate program, day one you had stopped cholesterol medications,
Yeah.
medications, and almost diabetic medications got reduced to 70% in 30 days. Weight 7 to 4 kgs lost. You feel more energetic. And how? Please share about this positive emotions about that. Reduced day by day medications are getting reduced, energy level increasing, and reducing the weight also. Please share your positive emotions on that.
Actually, I'm wearing foodie, so I was eating everything. Sweet, I was just little bit not eating, but I was eating everything. But I was advising everybody should be at diet level and exercise level. We should control. But because of stress condition and our working conditions, our time is not steady for lunch, dinner. So it will be causing health effect to my uh, body. So, but after taking this course since 1 month, in 1 week, first week only, I was getting like I was very happy. My weight is reducing, and I was feeling very active and happy. Like I don't know, but and I was adapting that food which were you prescribed to me, which were you had given in diet charts, all millets, all vegetables. I'm eating vegetables like very happily.
Like how the kids they eat the
Yeah.
chocolates, you were
Yeah,
eating
yeah.
vegetables very happy, and the fruits and all.
Fruits, vegetables, millets also. And after 7 o'clock, I'm not having any. Strictly, I'm not taking any food. It's like intermittent fasting. After 7, I'm inhibiting.
Doctor, as a doctor yourself, being a doctor and a researcher, how do you view this is just a defeat diabetes program in clinical and scientific perspective?
It is a very nice program, ma'am, because I'm the mainly I experience with on my body and not experience on other patients. So every doctor should be like they should practice on themselves. Now I am happy that I can prescribe patients like these diet charts, and I can send these many young girls with PCOD. PCOD is polycystic ovarian disorder. It is like hormonal disorder. It is mainly because of it is a lifestyle disorder. It mainly comes from the childhood because of diet, because of eating junk food, sweets, ice cream, chocolate, chips, and not eating proper diet and not having proper exercise. Many 80% of college going, school going girls are facing obesity. And because of that, mid age, after 40-50 years, they are undergoing any operations, or they are going for diabetic condition, metabolic syndromes, hypertension. And you are aware that many of young students and young women are going for MI, that is myocardial infarction. We call it as heart attacks. It is not a single moment. It is not but it is long going process. I feel that because of diet and exercise, this is very nice program that I initiated, and I can advise for other patients also.
Oh, thank you so much. Doctor, right? Other day you were saying, I'm feeling so energetic.
Yeah.
I'm now 50 plus. Now I feel like standing in the OT, performing surgeries back to back, more energy. That motivates me also. But at the same time, I would like to ask, say that India is a number one in the diabetes. The very bad part over here is young generation. Young generations, I'm not talking about 30 plus. I'm talking about the people, the kids, the young generations around 25 years old. They are having a diabetes. So what message you would like to give to them, the people who are having a diabetes, and they feel life just okay to have a diabetes at such an young age?
With me also, in spite of having my medical knowledge, but I was frustrated why I am getting diabetic condition, because my mother was having diabetes. Just she expired 1 year back. So I was frustrated why I am getting this condition. So my life is standstill now. I will get the complications. So we know. So but with this program, I was happy that I can reverse my diabetes. At least I can go for diabetic remission.
Yes.
It is, my medicines are now 50% stopped. My cholesterol medication stopped. I'm feeling very energetic now. I'm doing night calls also happily, and standing OT. And I had done appreciable fasting every week, one day. Only water fasting. In a lifetime, I had never done fasting. But with this diet, I can now confident that I can do fasting and I can do proper diet. So I will advise young girls and kids also that you have to pick up your diet from childhood.
Yes.
You have to eat all home cooked food. Traditional food you eat, just eat time, and do proper exercise, and be away from all gadgets.
Yes, correct. Being a parent, we experience that. Yeah. And doctor, now you already you shared that your parent, your mother was a diabetic. So do you feel this diabetes is genetical, that you have to depend only on the medications? Yesterday I was shooting one testimony. And she was saying the people who are in the 40s, they feel diabetes is going to come. You do whatever, we are going to get the diabetes, and we have to rely on our medications. We cannot defeat diabetes, and it's a purely genetical. What statement you have to give on this, doctor?
Actually, in the medical science, they are telling that these diabetes, hypertension, ischemic heart diseases, thyroid disorders, all are genetic disorders. But now my 50% mind is telling that this is a lifestyle disorder. What is lifestyle disorder? If we go against the natural orders of nature, we will cause the lifestyle disorder. So what is the order of nature? We have to eat all raw vegetable, fruits, natural, which comes from Mother Earth.
Very
That
good.
will be the high. We have to consume that maximum.
Mhm.
Now, these days, most of the cooked food, all store food are coming with preservatives. So, all lifestyle disorders are more. Because we are five brothers, sisters, only me having diabetes. They are four not having. Why? I am youngest one.
So you say it's not a genetical, it's not purely because of genetical, is a
No,
lifestyle
not
disorder.
purely because of genetic. If we have history that our mother, father, grandma, or somebody, we have to take more care. I feel
So we have to take care of
we
it.
have to be very cautious since childhood only.
So that we need to do a correction in our lifestyle.
Because my kids, I always tell both grandmothers are having diabetic status. So you have to be very cautious about your diet and all.
It's very good. And doctor, what did you like about this Bisajja's Defeat Diabetes program? What you like more about this program?
It's I like the diet chart, and they were putting all the charts. They have first taken our all reports, baseline reports, and after every 1 week they are taking following. And ma'am, your support and encouragement is very nice.
Thank you so much. Thank
So
you.
with your encouragement, we have done like I started my journey.
Oh, thank you so
Mission,
much.
yeah.
So now we are already now in the path of defeating the diabetes and all. Your productivity has increased. Weight gone, energy levels gone, and looking for the promotion and all. So these are a lot of the positive things that are happening. And I always thanks you for believing me and joining my program. Hey, we'll go Bisajja and join the program. And really, I thank you for that. Really, I thank you for that, believing me. And thank you for that, Dr. Supriya.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.